What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Code Focus channel. Today we're going to be centering this div right here. So give it a class of div, and then go ahead and throw some content in there if you want. And now we'll target that div, give it a height, 50 pixels. That is arbitrary though, you can make that whatever you want. And then we'll give it a background of blue just so it pops. And now we're going to make a parent element that will wrap this div. So do that, throw the div in there, give it a class of parent or whatever you want. Then we're gonna give this parent a display of flex and justify content of center. That'll center it on the x-axis, and then align items of center. See, this is where people get stuck. They don't understand why this isn't centering it in the center of the screen. It's because the parent height is just that. It's just that. It should span the whole page. And to do that, we're going to give this parent element a height of 100 VH. All right, there you go. There's your center div. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.